Dustin Rider here with the sound demo for the deluxe Brave TyrannoKing. As mentioned in its and the Morphers review, I'm just going to do a quick demo of what sounds all the other Zyudenchi I own making this. As with the Morpher, I am just missing a few, namely Drysera and a couple of the middle ones. I believe like 13 and maybe 14. I think 13 and 14. But other than that, this is all I have in my collection, so anything else I might be missing, I just never got. For example, Tobaspino, I know is one people are probably expecting to see, but I simply just don't have it, so I'm sorry. But this is all that I have, and you get the main gist of it. As with the Morpher, the sounds on this are pretty much very similar to near identical to the original Kyoryuzin, just with like slightly different voice things, unless it's the same and I'm just hearing it different. Anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to start with the Super Sentai one because I said so. So... just as in the Morpher, it just makes the generic sound for us, so nothing really exciting there. Alright, Gabutira. There we go. So as you see, it reads as Cannon Tira. So it does not read uniquely. It reads as Cannon Tira, which is this guy right here that I'm pulling from his mouth. That sounded wrong. Here we have Parasagan, which I thought for some reason was 5 in the last review, because I'm an idiot. Alright. Now Stagochi, number 3. So that reads as the new one as well. You can hear the buzzer sounds. Alright, now we got Fukubator here. So this one reads as the new one as well, which is sold separately. It's the repaint, white and pink repaint of this that forms a different like weapon on it. And if you were to have Drysera, it would make the same noise as this blue one, which you'll be able to see in the regular review. So here's Gold's. That one is slightly different because that does have a repaint, which isn't all that exciting, so I probably won't get it. It's mainly just the regular one with some blue outlines. Alright, now we have Ankidon. I said that kind of funny. Alright, that one does not have a remold as of this moment. Alright. Cephalo. Oh, you know what I mean. Rumpati. Alright, now Plezon, which also at this moment does not have a repaint unless I'm forgetting something. Alright, now Braugigus, which does have a white and purple repaint. Also, just of note, if you're wondering, for whatever reason, if you're not familiar with this, what happens if you press the button again, it'll just reinitiate saying the name of the Megazord as part of its core electronic features. Alright, now we got Mini Tira's Carnival Battery. Got that thrilling error noise. Alright, now Dino's Grander. As you notice, I'm missing 11. She's getting waffles. Alright, it's Tamero, which you'll recognize her or his work, I don't know which one it is to be honest, from this review, standing in for the arms here. Let's give a round of applause. Alright, so now you see we're getting very similar, just like the same noises we used to. Alomaris. The only thing that's different is the guy's voice, pretty much. Unless, again, it's the same. I could be insane. Or more insane. Alright, now Beyonce Mo. Riding on my surfboard. Alright. 17, everybody's favorite. Overapu. Alright. Iguranodon. I might be butchering this. I almost thought I might be botching these, which would have been ironic. Alright, now Turpentine. I mean, Tuparanda. I was thinking in my head that looks like Turpentine, and then my mind went away for a second. Alright, we're in the home stretch, guys. Groomonite. Go in your home. Alright, Archelon. Okay. Now we have, which one's this? Pukapator. We got one more regular one, and then we're almost done here, I promise. It's actually not that long a review, to be honest. I've done longer. You know how it is. Alright, Fujibine here for our last regular dino. That I own, anyway. Alright, and since we started off with the Sentai one, all we have left is the Victory one, and it will, just like the Morpher, probably make the same sound as the Maximum, so there's no need to show both. So it just makes our signature generic sound. So anyway, that is it for what I own, but you get the gist of it. Any other ones I'm missing, honestly, aren't anything earth-shattering. If you want to hear more about the Megazord or my thoughts on it or whatever, wow, that sounds really advertising, I'm sorry. But you can check out the review for this, which is linked in the description, and I should put up a end card-esque ghost thing that should have the link to it somewhere on your screen. Anyway, until next time, make sure to check out the Crazy Podcast at WritersRangersRambles.com, and of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, Dawson Ryder, signing out.